How to clear Windows search history in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to wipe your recent searches so they stop showing up when you use the search bar. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. After that, click on Search Permissions on the right side of the screen. At this point, scroll down to the History section. From here, you'll see a toggle labeled Search History on this device. This controls whether Windows saves your recent searches in the first place. Following this, click Clear Device Search History just below that toggle to wipe all your previously saved searches straight away. After that, if you want to stop Windows from saving your search history going forward, toggle off Search History on this device so nothing new gets recorded. Finally, keep in mind that this only clears local search history on your device. If you use Bing Search through the Widgets panel or Edge browser, that search history is stored separately in your Microsoft account and can be cleared from the privacy dashboard at account.microsoft.com. That's how you clear Windows search history in Windows 11. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you then.